Hi everyone. Today we're doing 9 minus 2 and Nikki's going to tell us how she pictures this in her mind.
Yeah.
So right away, what do you picture in your mind? You picture the 2 or the 9?
The 9.
Okay, so let's bring that up so people can see that. So here's 5 and 4. Okay, so there's the 9. Now we have to take away 2.
Yeah.
So how are we going to do that? Like, how do you picture that in your mind?
Yeah, I picture it in mind. So first I ignore this 5, like I move it.
Oh, okay, so let's just move it a little way. So you don't really, so you picture the 9 totally, and then you sort of put this aside, okay? And then
I take away 2.
From the 4, and that's pretty easy. You probably know 4 minus 2
Yeah,
is
and then
2,
I bring the 5 back, which you
Oh, and then you put this back.
equals 7.
Okay, so 9 minus 2 equals 7.
Yeah.
That was incredible, Nikki.
Thanks. Hello everyone, today we're doing 9 minus 2 with Miss Tina here.
Okay, Raha, how are you going to do this question?
So, I don't like this question. Let's change it into 2
Okay, so 2.
plus something equals 9.
Oh, okay, so you prefer addition to subtraction then. Okay, so for every question that we do, though, we picture something in our head. So what do you start off picturing in your head for this one?
2.
2. Okay, so just like this?
Yes.
Okay, then what do you do, Raha?
Then I want to make 9. So, this is not 9 here.
Yeah, there's only 2.
So, we add 3 more to make 5.
Oh, okay, so we add 3 more to make 5. Okay. But we don't have 9, we only have 5.
And I add 2 more.
We're going to add 2 more? So how many?
And another 2.
Oh, and another 2. Okay.
So that.
So you added 3, and then you added 2 and 2, or how many are here?
There's 7.
Just right here, because you added the 3.
4.
There's 4 there. So Raha, what's 5? Because there's 5 here in green and orange, plus 4.
7.
5
5?
plus
Oh,
4.
I'm
So
sorry.
all the ones all together here, how many do we have?
Oh, we have 9.
Yeah, because 5 plus 4 equals.
9.
Okay, but we started off with 2 and we added these orange ones because we were figuring out 2 plus what equals 9. So what should I write here?
7.
7? Okay.
Because there's 7 here. So look. Boom.
Oh, okay. Yeah, if we can move this over.
Boom.
Oh, so you actually, what you just did, Raha, was you did subtraction there because you started off, look at this. You started off with the 9 and then you took away 2.
Yeah.
Or you start off with the 2 and you count how many you need to add. So what's 9 minus 2, Raha?
7.
Perfecto.